Welcome to Trendy Tuesday, where we dive into the hottest looks taking over the beauty world. From viral TikTok trends to runway-inspired glamour, we'll break down the latest techniques, product picks, and insider secrets so you can recreate them at home. Today we're trying the cinnamon roll makeup trend, which is essentially monochromatic browns. You can watch my previous video on Masterclass Mondays to watch how I did the base for this look, so we'll start with the eye look immediately. First, I'm filling in my brows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow in shade 4.5 and cleaning them up with the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. So this look I did entirely with the limited 2023 Dior Holiday Full Face palette, but you can use any browns in the same color family. Taking a medium brown into the crease and blending out all the harsh lines, keeping it in an upward motion towards the end of the eye to keep the whole look lifted. Then a slightly deeper brown all over the lid with a fluffy brush to help blend it into the crease color. Then I'm going to take the Bobbi Brown gel liner on the lash line. It's okay if it's not perfect, we'll smoke it out with the deepest brown shade on a flat shader brush. Then go back with the lid color and blend out any lines from the smoked out lash line to create a gradient effect. Then use the darkest shade again to smoke out the bottom lash line. Now to add the glaze to the cinnamon roll, I'm using the Patrick Ta eyeshadow duo in Do You Know Who I Am? I am so in love with these duos. I wear them like every single day. I love a good pearl shimmer. Now the KVD liquid liner that I've been using for years, so you know how this goes. Then some mascara and some lashes to complete the look. Then dust away any extra setting powder or fallout from the eyeshadow. I used the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Unlocked in Evil Eye for blush and highlight, but it was harder to see on camera, so I'll note that for next time and add way more. Then I'm finishing off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Velvet in Crush for a neutral shade. And that's it. Easy cinnamon roll monochrome brown look that goes with everything. Now don't miss out on Friday Faves. I'll be sharing my absolute favorite products of the week to elevate your beauty routine. See you then!